Wow, that was quick. Good burp. Good burp. Nice. Yeah. Hi, my beanie baby. Were you sleeping good? Sweet boy. Wow, big boy. Big boy. Mwah. I know. Good job, buddy. Good job. Oh, you want more? You want more? Wow, that was quick. Good burp. All right, I'll see you in a few hours, buddy. Hey guys, it's day 10 with Bean, and he's starting to open his eyes a little bit. Unfortunately though, Bean is a little congested. You guys probably can't hear it. He's okay, he's just a bit stuffy and wheezy, and he had a little bit of yellow discharge from his nose today. But he does have his appointment tomorrow morning with the specialist, so I'm gonna bring it up to them and we'll go over everything at the same time. Quick daily weigh-in. Big boy. He's definitely gotten really comfortable with the tube. He kind of takes it in on his own now. And then I just guide it down. Good boy. Still not a fan, but we get the job done. Good job. Good job. A lot of people wanted to know if I like cuddle and spend time with Bean outside of his incubator and his feedings. And I definitely do, but only a little bit, because when he's not sleeping, he's eating. So if I start handling him like just randomly, for instance, if it's not time for a feeding, he'll think it is time for a feeding and he'll start going crazy. So it's not really like he's like craving affection or missing out on TLC. It's more so just the fact that he really only sleeps and eats right now. He is starting to develop a little more. In about a week or so, he'll want to start playing, and then it'll be time for, you know, spending more one-on-one time with him and all that fun stuff. But for now, he's just like an infant. So he just wants to eat and sleep and poop. Guess who's 2 weeks old and opening their eyes? So we just left the specialist for his consultation for the cleft lip, and he is going to be a candidate for surgery when he's about 3 to 4 months old. A quick side note, by the way, but it's important. So I have had a lot of people express interest in adopting Bean. He won't be adopted through me specifically. He will be adopted through the shelter. However, as his foster, I do have the ability to get in contact with potential adopters and kind of choose who I want, and then send them the application so that they can apply and make the process official. If you think Bean will be a good fit for you and or your family, go ahead and email me. I do want to go ahead and choose someone as early as possible, because I am going to be sponsoring his surgical procedure and helping him heal, but there could be certain things that need to be determined by his future owner. So I want to kind of make some of those decisions together with his new owner, if that makes sense. The appointment went really well otherwise. They also gave me some liquid antibiotics since he is getting a little stuffy. So we're going to clear that up. Another top question I'm getting is when can he go back on the bottle? And I'm going to be exclusively tube feeding him until it's time to wean. It's really just not safe to put him on a bottle. I don't want to risk getting any milk in his lungs at all. So we're going to do what's safe, but I normally introduce solids once they have teeth starting to break through, which should be very soon for him. So he's going to get to try some big boy food. Yay! I have no clue what his breed is. The only thing I was told when I picked him up is that he's a male and that he's 4 ounces. So that's the only background I have, but I'm guessing that he's a Shih Tzu mix. He's definitely gonna be a small breed dog, and he does have fluffy, longer hair. So I don't think he's gonna be like a smooth coated type of dog. He's definitely gonna have a little fluff to him. I'm gonna send off a DNA test, but the company recommends you wait until they're 3 weeks old. So next week we're gonna swab him and send off his DNA to see what he actually is. Anyway, that was a bit eventful for our little guy. So he's really tired. I'm gonna put him back to sleep, and I really look forward to hearing from any potential adopters, and I hope you guys have a great weekend. Say bye-bye. And sleepy. He's sleepy.